In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your display name in Microsoft Teams. Whether you want to update it due to a change in your professional or personal circumstances, or simply to correct a typographical error, adjusting your display name is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through it together. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're signed in to the Microsoft Teams application using your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a circular icon. It might be your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu will provide several options related to your account settings and preferences. From these options, you'll notice the one labeled as either Manage Account or simply Settings, depending on your software version. Clicking on this will redirect you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. This is where the magic happens. On this account management page, look for the section titled Basic Info or Personal Info. This is where your current display name is visible. Accompanying it, you should find an Edit button or pencil icon next to your name. Click this to enable editing mode, where you can directly change your name. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your desired display name. Choose a name that best represents you, whether it's your full name, initials, or a nickname that you're known by within your team's environment. Remember, this is how others will identify you in Teams, so select a name that is professional and appropriate. After typing in the new name, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Submit button and click it to confirm your new display name. Keep in mind that it might take a few minutes for the changes to fully propagate across Microsoft Teams. Once saved, it's a good idea to verify that your display name has been updated by returning to the main dashboard. You should see the new name reflected in the upper right corner, confirming that the update was successful. Additionally, your new display name should now appear correctly in meetings, chats, and across any interactivity you have within Teams. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your display name in Microsoft Teams. If you encounter any issues or if the option to change your name isn't available, it may be due to restrictions set by your IT administrator, in which case reaching out to your IT department for assistance would be your best course of action. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.